to send the Holy Spirit. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. Now and ever shall be, world without ending. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Kindly pick up the pieces of dirt before you sit. Please sit down. How many are absent today?
None, ma'am. No one is absent for today, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, let's have a quick review of our last lesson. What was our lesson yesterday, Miss Jana?
It was about the definition of noun and its kind.
Yes, good. I know that you already understand what noun is and how you able to give example of it last time, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, now let's have an activity first. I want you to read and spot the differences between and among the sentences on the board. Please read the first sentence, Miss Judith.
Sentence number 1. There are going to be hundreds of people attending the party.
Yes. Sentence number 2, Mr. Nelton.
Sentence number 2. Hundreds of people will attend the party.
Yes. After reading the two sentences, what have you noticed, Miss Jana Navarro?
After reading the two sentences, one can notice that the first sentence, sentence number 1, uses expletive construction. There are, to introduce the subject, hundreds of people, while the second sentence, sentence number 2, presents the subject directly without the expletive construction. Both sentences convey the same information, but sentence number 1 emphasizes the existence of people attending the party, while sentence number 2 presents the information more directly.
Yes, very good. You are all keen observer. Those sentences have something to do with our lesson for today, which is all about expletive construction. Our objectives: at the end of the 60-minute discussion, at least 85% of grade 7 students should be able to first explain expletive construction and value the use of expletive construction and construct sentences considering the expletive construction. Expletive construction. Please read the definition, Mr. Nelton.
Expletive construction. An expletive construction with there is or there are. It's a way of present. These phrases don't add much meaning by themselves. They are mainly used to introduce a subject or to state that something or something exists.
So here how it works in simple way when you use there is, you are usually talking about one thing or something that is singular. So read the first example, Miss Judith.
For example, there is a cat on the porch means that a single exists on the porch.
Yes. How many cat is referring to the sentence?
1, ma'am.
Very good. So Miss Jana, could you please read the second example on the board?
There are 3 books on the table.
So how many books are on the table?
3, ma'am.
Correct. That means the 3 books exist on the table. Take note, class. In both cases, there is doesn't really mean a specific place like it does in other contexts. It's just a way to start a sentence and introduce what you're talking about. Do you get our lesson for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions regarding to what are talking about?
None, ma'am.
So again, what is expletive construction? Anyone? Yes, Miss Jana.
Expletive construction. An expletive construction with there is or there are is a way of present. These phrases don't add much meaning by themselves, They are mainly used to introduce a subject or to state that something or some things exist.
Yes, thank you. Okay, what is the importance of understanding the use of expletive construction? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Nelton?
For me, understanding the use of expletive construction in a sentence is important because it clarifies the structure and emphasis of the statement.
Yes, thank you. Very good. For evaluation, I will give you 5 minutes to construct 5 sentences using the there is expletive construction and 5 sentences using there are. For your assignment, answer the activity 3 on your book. For your reference, English 7 Maria Makiling, page 78. End of our discussion for today. Class dismissed. Thank you.